are the things that you expect from today's
Here
hearing?
are the
Well, una,
brand new
in-expect kasi natin na mapapakita or yung witnesses ay
that we
mapapatuloy
have
ng mga
created.
dokumento. I think yun yung iniiwasan na nila ngayon, no? Binabawasan natin
It's
yung
the
oras for
Falcon
that.
Tree.
But pangalawa din, ay i-describe nila kung ano nga ba
Yeah,
yung
put the
auditing
brand new
process ng
deployment.
COA. For lawyers,
And here
usually
too.
kung sa trial court ito, mas
Spikes.
madaling ito patunayan
No.
by simply presenting
2D.
yung memorandum circular ng Commission on Audit. But hindi
This
din natin na yung
is
publiko
the
ay
Falcon
hindi
Tree.
naman sanay dito sa proseso
Made
nito at maganda na marinig nila mismo
Made
kung
with
paano
cardboard
ginagawa ng
and
mga
glass
witness itong
straw.
auditing process ng COA.
Spike
Sa mga
rework.
kayo po nakapanood o nakamonitor, kung kayo nagtataka kung anong nangyayari, nung magsimula po tayo kanina ng alas 10,
Hold up,
tama,
let me
alas
just
10 ay kumulat po si Attorney Lorna Capunan
apply.
para i-check sa depensa kung pirmado ba nila lahat ng mga dokumentong itatalakayin ng prosecution. Nauna niyang kinonfirm, chinek ulit yung mga encashment, yung mga cheque na nauna ng tinalakay
That-
noong
that
July
Falcon
29.
Tree deployment.
At ngayon po, yung mga
Just gonna go
dokumentong
the
tatalakayin,
back
which
off.
is the confidential
I'll do it
funds,
again.
yung mga sari-sari pong acknowledgement, receipts, at mga liquidation documents na tiningnan nga po ng COA.
That is the Falcon Tree.
Sumangbang magbigay ng huni si Senator Rodante Marcoleta sa kaso niya
By me, it's
sa
Falcon Tree.
pagtambal na regalo na bawal para sa mga public
I like the
officials.
Falcon Tree.
Nasa linya natin
The old
si
Falcon
Cassandra
Tree.
Salonga para sa mga detalye.
Where's
Cassandra,
this A? And just down. Or spikes. But we have added a brand new one. First of all, we got this, and this. And spikes. This is for manufacturers. And better. Brah. So here's a brand new Falcon. Made by my little brother.
That is almost finished.
Brah. Here is the Falcon 6. He called the Falcon 6, but I didn't make it. She make it. Oh, he make it. He make it, brah. Let me make it.
This is almost finished.
Brah, what do you mean finish? Look at that. So there's a bottom. You need some sides to finish and some tires. Why are there 12 tires? We just need 6 or 4. Are you serious? 9. But for the Falcon 3 tour, the ultimate tour, it's gonna be the next video. For the Falcon 3 ultimate tour, it's not even ready. Lag! And let's just get to the bottom picture. Lag! Ano to? Part 2.
balik po tayo dito sa impeachment trial.
Part 2. Coming soon.
Gaya ng aking nabanggit kanina.
Wow.
Una ang prosecution na humingi ng parang
Part
guarantee
2 coming
or
soon.
agreement
Bam.
sa depensa
Yab.